Good morning, everyone. What's today? Saturday, no?
Yep.
Happy Saturday. It's long weekend because of Easter. So yesterday we didn't have work, but we didn't do anything except cleaning our apartment because it's so filthy. So I just cleaned the apartment all day. That's why I didn't vlog because it'll be boring anyway. And today, where are we going? We're going to the beach in Central Coast. Is that right? Central Coast?
Yeah.
What's the name of the beach you love?
Copacabana.
What?
Copacabana Beach.
Apparently, it's a Copacabana Beach. Si Byron kasi yung nakahanap dito, guys. Because I want to go out. It's a good day and long weekend. So I don't want to waste the long weekend. So we're going to the beach. Ay! Love!
What?
Cabana!
Ah, shit. I'm gonna go back and get it.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, is that my fault?
Come back out again.
We forgot the cabana. That's the main point, that we're going to the beach. So we can use our cabana. Tapos, Byron forgot about it. So we're going back to get the cabana. And it'll be helpful anyway because it's gonna be hot later. So we need shade. Okay, we're back in the road again, guys. Buti na lang bumalik kami kasi I forgot my tripod pala. See you in the beach. Telling you exactly what is on my mind. See that, baby? Did you know, guys? Byron has a red light curse. Why do you have a red light curse? Wawa naman si Byron, guys. He stops at every red light every time we drive. Guys, we're here! Look! Look at the view! Jesus Christ, we can't swim in that. That's so dangerous. Guys, na-set up na namin ang aming cabana. Look at that. It was easy to set up, no?
Yeah.
I thought it's gonna be high.
It's like a tent.
Yeah.
Tent's annoying to deep.
Yeah, they have like a tent one. Did you see? Maglalagay lang ako ng sunscreen. Mainit, friend. You wanna put sunscreen on? Oh shit, I forgot our face sunscreen, love. Grabe yung waves, guys. Mamamatay tayo dito. It's not friendly to swim. Look at the waves. Love.
Pretty rough
Yeah.
for you.
I mean, for me, for you as well. You can't swim in that.
Is this your go-to sunscreen now?
Yeah.
Is that banana boat?
Yeah. I didn't know banana boat was Australian made.
Banana boat.
I'm also gonna put this, the Dalba. This is not a sunscreen, by the way. Parang mist lang siya because it's hot. Yeah, it would have been better if I have my low chairs.
Mini chair?
Yeah, bili sana ako ng low chair kahapon, guys. Kaso, close yung mga shops kahapon kasi di pa holiday. Kaya hindi na ako nakabili. I-edit muna ako ng vlog para may vlog tayo bukas. Because it's Sunday tomorrow and I haven't finished the vlog yet. Snacking while waiting for lunch. Byron actually is at the cafe getting us some lunch. There's a cafe nearby. Like, nandyan lang siya sa taas nandun. And apparently they open until 7 p.m. today. Probably because it's public holiday. This is such a nice day. Really, really nice. Kaso grabe yung waves, guys. So I don't know if makakaligo kami. Kamatangay tayo ng waves. Ano naman, hindi tayo marunong lumangoy. Grabe, oh. Lakas. lunch is here, guys. Kain tayo. Byron got fish and chips. I kind of like his lunch, so I might steal his lunch. Hello, you finished the crab thing already?
Yeah.
I got a burger.
Good?
We should do this more often though.
Yeah.
We have a cabana now anyway, so we don't get burned.
Where to go when you have kids? Nice day out. Have a bite? Just eat the whole thing.
What is there? Guys, we're back here in our mini tent in our cabana because the water is so cold. I don't know what's in Australian water, but every time we go to the beach, the water is just freezing. Did you enjoy it?
Cold.
Not really, because it's cold. It was freezing. Kahit na may araw, ha? Ang sobrang lamig niya, guys. So basically, we just stayed by the beach. But it's relaxing, no? It's relaxing to stay. Actually, nakatulog ako, guys. I fell asleep for a few minutes. Mga, I think 15 minutes. Yeah, we're probably gonna head back soon because it's still gonna be a long drive, like an hour and 30 minutes drive. And Bar doesn't want to drive in the dark. Maganda dito, guys, kasi konti lang yung tao. If you don't mind driving for around an hour and 30 minutes from Sydney, Copacabana Beach, sa Central Coast siya. Kasi yung mga beaches sa Sydney, it's very packed, especially now that it's a long weekend. I think all beaches in Sydney are packed. Love, no?
Yeah, the city ones will be packed.
Yeah. Yeah, Bondi, Coogee, Manly, what else? Balmoral. Dito kasi, it's a long drive, so probably people can't be bothered driving. But if you want to have like a peaceful afternoon or peaceful day at the beach, this is a place to go. Kaso nga lang, the waves are pretty strong. So it's not really that friendly to swim in the beach, but it's fine. May mga areas naman na hindi ganun ka-strong kasi yung waves, so you can go there. But yeah, we're gonna pack soon and then leave our things in the car and then get some ice cream. Everyone, happy Sunday. It's Sunday not today. Yeah, and we're going to the church because we have a christening to attend to. It's Byron's cousin's baby. And then after, meron lang reception, and then that's it. That's our plan for today. You know what? We have a 4-week holiday, right? This is a long weekend, and 4 days, not 4 weeks. So 4 days holiday. It went by so fast. Feels like I just worked yesterday and now I only have 1 day left of holiday. Tapos wala na. Work na naman. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Obviously, it's public holiday and we don't have work. So, late na ako nagising, guys, around 9. It's currently 9:30, almost 9:30, but I woke up around 9. And then after this, I'll do my hot sculpt. I won't go to gym today because I'm scheduled just to do hot sculpt. Yung classes now I follow is just from YouTube, so it's free.